So we're going to carry on with the bridge family of letters. These letters that we're going to do first, the H, the B and the K, all start from the top broken line, and we call them the tall letters. I've already done 2 of the H's so you can see what they look like, but we just start at the top broken line and we come all the way down to the bottom solid line. Then we go back up to the top solid and we curl it round, back down to the bottom solid, and we do a little flick because that's our joining flick. So again, we come down, back up and around and flick. Down again, back up to the top solid and down with the flick. It's really important you keep the bridges, this bridge part here, narrow. This one is a little bit too wide. So if we're going to try and do the B, it is the same as doing the H. So we start at the top broken line and we come down to the bottom solid line, go back up and round, but this time we curl it back round to there. And you can see you've got a little triangle here and a triangle there, so you know you've got the shape correct. Same again, come down to the bottom solid line, back up and round, and you can see you've got 2 little triangles there. We'll do one more, down, back up and round, like that. Now the K is a little bit tricky because there are a few different movements. We do a loop movement in there as well. So we start at the top broken line and we come straight down to the bottom solid line. Then you travel back up. Just before you get to the top broken line, you bring your loop out, it comes back in, then it comes diagonally down with the flick. So it looks like a capital R squashed between the 2 solid lines, but with the straight stick going to the top broken line. So if we do it again, come straight down, that's the easy part. Go back up to the top solid line and start to curl it round. Bring it in like a shoelace knot, diagonally down, and then a flick. My flick's a bit too big on that one. Let's try again. So it comes down, back up, round like a shoelace knot, diagonally down, and the flick. Now the P, this is what we call a tail letter because it goes down. So you start at the top solid line and we come all the way down to the bottom broken line. Then we travel back up again. We loop round between the 2 solid lines like that. It's really important that you get it to sit between the 2 solid lines, and you can see a triangle here and a little triangle there. So we come down again, travel back up and around, join it back up, and you can see 2 triangles. Do one more, down, back up and round between the 2 solid lines. Now with these letters, it's really important that you've got the tail letters and you've got the tall letters. So I'll show you them side by side. So we can have a H like this, and the P would come down like this. Same with the B, come down like this. And the P is a tail letter like that. So that's how we would expect to see the writing sitting on the line.